Your Zendesk messaging data is hiding in a completely separate dataset from your regular tickets, and most teams never find it. If your reporting feels incomplete or your numbers don't match, this is exactly why. Let me show you where to look and what to measure. Zendesk gives you two datasets. Support tickets covers everything across all channels, but chat messaging tickets is purpose-built for messaging with metrics that simply don't exist anywhere else. Handle time, offer acceptance, session analytics. None of that lives in the support dataset. Picking the wrong one means you're working with an incomplete picture. Here is the quick decision rule. Use support tickets for cross-channel comparisons and chat messaging tickets for anything messaging specific. First reply time. Resolution rates. Handle time. All of these should come from the messaging dataset. Get this right and your reports will finally reflect what's actually happening. When creating a new report in Explore, look under Zendesk Chat, not Messaging. Select Chat, then Messaging Tickets, and click Start Report. If you don't see this option, check that you're on a professional plan or higher, and that messaging is enabled on your account. Before you build reports, know where your data starts. Messaging data only exists from September 2022 onwards, handle time metrics from July 2023, and offer acceptance tracking from October 2023. If your reports show blank results, your date range is likely reaching before these availability windows. The 4 response time metrics worth tracking are first reply time, requester wait time average, and assignment to first reply. Each one comes in both calendar hours and business hours variants. Calendar hours show the complete customer experience. Business hours show your team's actual working efficiency. Handle time changes how you understand agent workload. A ticket might stay open for 24 hours, but your agent may have only spent 8 minutes actively working on it. This distinction is critical when evaluating team capacity and figuring out where time is actually being spent. Before building custom reports, check the pre-built messaging dashboard in Explore. It has 6 tabs ready to use: Overview, Efficiency, Assignee Activity, Unsolved Tickets, First Reply Time, and Goal Conversions. Clone it and customize from there. It's far faster than starting from scratch. To build your first messaging report, open Explore, click Reports, then New Report. Select Chat Messaging Tickets from the dataset list and click Start Report. You'll see 4 panels: metrics, columns, rows, and filters. These are the building blocks of every report you create. Now add attributes to turn raw numbers into actual insights. Add assignee name to rows and you'll see first reply time broken down by individual agent. Add ticket channel to compare web widget versus mobile versus WhatsApp. Attributes are what make reporting actionable. Pick a bar chart when comparing agents or groups, and a line chart when tracking trends over time. Give your report a clear descriptive name, save it, and add it to a dashboard. Professional and enterprise plans can schedule automatic delivery to agents or external email addresses. When your reports show high first reply times, the fix depends on where the delay is happening. If tickets sit unassigned, eesel AI's triage routes them automatically using your knowledge base. If agents have tickets but reply slowly, the AI copilot drafts responses in seconds, cutting handle time without adding headcount. You now have the full picture, the right dataset, the right metrics, and a step-by-step path to your first custom report. The real value comes from acting on what you find. Visit eesel.ai to see how AI-powered triage and automated responses turn your Explore insights into measurable improvements.